This is a demo version of the Cetbix Sentinel installer. After unzipping the file, you should be able to open the Sentinel window. Now the agentless agent starts scanning your network automatically. Cetbix Sentinel is currently scanning your system to identify installed software, verify license validity, and analyze usage patterns across all applications to ensure full compliance with organizational and vendor policies. During this process, the system securely collects, processes, and synchronizes data in real time, checking for active, expired, missing, or unlicensed software while also mapping usage behavior to detect potential inefficiencies or compliance risks. A complete overview of your software environment is being prepared, including license status, allocation details, and system-wide compliance insights for your dashboard. This operation may take a few moments depending on the size and complexity of your environment, but no action is required from your side while the scan is in progress. All data is handled securely and in accordance with governance standards to ensure integrity and confidentiality. We appreciate your patience as Cetbix Sentinel completes this process to provide you with an accurate, secure, and fully compliant software asset view. The scanning is now complete. Let us dive into each section in detail. First, we will review all the systems that the agent was able to identify and retrieve. Now, let's explore the discovery section. This powerful view gives you a complete inventory of all IP addresses tied to systems across your network, so you can see exactly what's connected and where. Cetbix Sentinel automatically collects and organizes this data into a clear, intuitive layout, empowering network administrators with real-time visibility, faster troubleshooting, and stronger control over their entire IT infrastructure. Now let's begin with Cetbix Agentless Discovery. In this demo, Cetbix Sentinel has already identified nearly 50 systems on a specific network. Clicking on any IP address reveals the system name and type, its MAC address, and its current status, for example, whether it is reachable or not. Moving on, we come to the Cetbix Sentinel WMI Discovery section, which provides in-depth details about each system. This includes comprehensive information such as system specifications, installed software, license data, and much more. This is structured in a way that makes it easy to dive in and explore the details. Cetbix Sentinel continuously scans and monitors your network in real time, automatically discovering and cataloging systems, their IP addresses, and key attributes such as operating system, role, and status. Combining this with the Cetbix GRC and OT solution gives administrators a cleaner, more intuitive user interface and a deeper understanding of their environment by centralizing asset visibility, risk context, and compliance posture in a single platform. It is advisable to enable data transfer so that information flows seamlessly into Cetbix, improving visibility and supporting better decision-making. Furthermore, integrating the Cetbix GRC module with Cetbix Sentinel adds valuable features such as license expiration notifications, automated compliance checks, and centralized reporting, along with many other capabilities that enhance security, governance, and operational transparency. Furthermore, the Cetbix Sentinel device software mapping feature provides administrators with a clear, visual link between every discovered device and the software running on it. This mapping automatically correlates installed applications, services, and versions with each system, making it easy to identify outdated software, detect unauthorized or shadow IT tools, and assess compliance with licensing and security policies. By tying software inventory directly to specific devices, Cetbix Sentinel enables teams to prioritize patching, manage vulnerabilities, and streamline software license usage across the network. Cetbix Sentinel makes it easy to connect with Active Directory to synchronize user accounts, groups, and organizational units directly into the platform. This integration enables administrators to map identities to devices and systems. The Cetbix Sentinel License Management module provides centralized control over all software licenses across the organization by enabling real-time monitoring of license usage, tracking active, expired, and soon-to-expire licenses, displaying detailed license summaries and status information, and offering a unified view of all software assets to improve visibility and operational control. It generates automated alerts and notifications for critical events such as upcoming expirations, license overuse, non-compliant usage patterns, and vendor-specific renewal requirements, ensuring that administrators can proactively address issues before they impact operations. The module also supports essential administrative actions including adding new licenses, renewing existing subscriptions, reassigning licenses across users, departments, or devices, deactivating unused or redundant licenses, and exporting detailed reports for audits, budgeting, and compliance reviews. Additionally, it enhances governance by maintaining continuous synchronization of license data across systems, recording detailed audit logs of all license-related activities for accountability and traceability, and enforcing strict role-based access control to ensure that only authorized personnel can view or modify license information. Overall, the system strengthens compliance, reduces licensing costs through better optimization, and improves decision-making by providing accurate, real-time insights into software asset utilization across the entire organization, and having this information within Cetbix GRC enables a more intuitive user interface and more efficient management of governance, risk, and compliance processes. Want to demo this product? Visit Cetbix website.